Custom-built home featuring over 1,700 square feet per level. Total of 5 bedrooms, 1 bonus room and 3 baths. Kitchen boasts granite countertops, pantry and breakfast nook. Large living rooms to easily maneuver furniture for that perfect setup, and even has a fireplace. Main level also includes large formal dining room, main level laundry and 2 guest rooms with center bath. Laminate flooring in the entryway, hallway, formal din room, laundry, kitchen and breakfast room. The master suite has a walk-in closet, bath with separate tub shower and dual vanities. The full basement has a large family room, West entertainment center, game room with pool table, bonus room, 2 bedrooms and the 3rd bath. Large manicured yard with 2 sheds each with electricity and sidewalks, fenced yard, sprinklers, covered patio and open patio with hot tub. 2-car garage.